The question is, what are emulsions? What are the different types? Give one example of each type. So basically, emulsion is a type of solve. Emulsion is a type of solve. So we will define it: a colloidal solution in which both the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are liquid in nature are called emulsions. So this is an important definition. Both the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are liquid. This is known as emulsions. Okay. So basically there are two types of emulsions. First is oil in water and second is water and oil. Okay. Moving on. Oil is dispersed phase. So for it is also denoted by O/W. So whatever is written before slash is the dispersed phase and whatever written after the slash is the dispersion medium. So oil in water is denoted by O/W. So oil is dispersed phase and water is dispersion medium. Example is milk. Second is water and oil, W/O. Water is the dispersed phase and oil is dispersion medium. Example, cold cream, butter, etc.